Hi, this is Linda and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to make baked chicken, and I have 8 ounces of cream cheese in here that I got to room temperature, and I'm going to put some Italian seasoning in it and get it mashed up. Preheat your oven to 375. Let me see if this is enough. I think I might want a little more in there. Just a little. And I want some granulated garlic in there. And a little bit of poultry seasoning, not much. Now this is not garlic salt, it's garlic powder. And a little bit of poultry seasoning. You don't want much. This stuff is powerful. Alright, I'm going to stir this up. Get it mixed real well. Alright, now I've got some chicken thighs. This is my favorite part of the chicken. If you like breasts or some other part, then use it. But I'm going to take this stuff that I just made and I'm going to push it under the skin of this chicken. I'll do a couple on screen and then I'll cut you off till I'm done. I heated this cream cheese in the microwave to get it to room temperature. Woo. You're going to put it under the skin and push that skin closed. And I've also got a 9x9 baking dish that I've sprayed. Alright, I'm going to cut you off till I finish up. Now in another bowl I've got some panko breadcrumbs. I'm going to put about a cup in there, and I'm going to put some Italian style breadcrumbs in here. I don't know, maybe a half a cup. And I'm going to put some flour in here. To make it stick better. I'm going to mix this up. Just use my hands. Best tool in the kitchen. Now I'm going to take each one of these thighs, and there's some extra meat on here. You can either eat it or cut it off when it's cooked. But I'm going to roll these in all of this breadcrumb mix. And I'm going to set them in my sprayed 9x9 dish. Now, I didn't add any salt to the mixture that I made because the poultry seasoning has salt in it. And I figured that was enough. Alright, I'll bring you back when I get through. Alright, here's our breaded chicken thighs. And I sprayed the top of them after I breaded them, and I added some more breading. I just sprinkled it on there. And you're going to put it in this 375 degree oven for about 45 minutes, and we'll bring you back. We're back. I cooked these 40 minutes. They're nice and golden brown, and I cut one to make sure they were done, and they are. And I made some green beans, and I cut up some small cucumbers, and I put this new dressing on it. I hope it's good. It is ranch chili lime. Whoop. Chili lime. Bought it at the grocery store. So I hope you try it. So I'm about to call Sam in here, and I'll bring you back when he gets here. Here's his plate. We'll be back. Y'all, I found him. He's about to try the chicken.
Sure does look good. Is that shake and bake?
No, it's panko.
Okay. Looks good. Is it still real hot?
It's been out a while.
Mmm. It's good. Very good, but it's still hot.
Push that filling back in there.
Let me try the cucumber. Oh yeah. I like that stuff you got on them. That's
chili lime dressing by Ranch. By Hidden Valley, I guess I should say.
Mmm. Yeah, that's a good little meal. You put it on a small plate, didn't you?
I did. I just grabbed one.
Well, to me, it's what it tastes like that matters. Mm-hmm.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. That hits the spot.
You recommend it?
Mm-hmm. That's true.
All right, y'all. I'll put the recipe below. Thank you for spending part of your day with me. Like and subscribe if you haven't. It's real easy. It only takes a few seconds. So until next time, you all take care, and God bless every one of you.